Once again, it's time for The Law on You, where we give you free legal advice on your TV in your living room. Joining us today, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath back for more. Yep. Nice to see you both. We're glad to have you here.
We are glad to be here, and we're excited to answer these questions. So
let's
do it.
Let's hear it.
Jump on in. This question from Nick in Pittston. He says, my uncle passed away and left everything to me in his will. His children are very upset. What are my options? I'd imagine they're a little annoyed there.
Yeah, they could be annoyed, but you know the fact of the matter is, based on what you've told us, as long as the will is valid and there's no issues with how it was created, then you're going to be the person that makes the decisions about what happens to those assets, whatever they are, because by law they'll be yours. We do see this at times where there might be a strained relationship with immediate family, and someone outside of the nuclear group grows closer to the person. They create a valid will and they leave the money elsewhere, and that's what the law allows for it. So as long as that will is enforceable, you don't have any issues other than some relatives that might be annoyed at you.
Or you could be responding to a will contest, which is a tough burden on the people. If that will was procured with no undue influence, nothing like that. If it's valid, I agree with Harry. I think they're going to have a tough time displacing you from the dispositions. That's what a will's for. It's for them to to make what they want happen, and they put it down in writing. So that's why it's so important when you do your will, make sure you have a good lawyer to help you prepare those and understand everything you're doing, and make sure all the I's are dotted, T's are crossed, because you want to avoid this exact scenario for the person you're doing who's the benefactor from your will.
That's exactly right. The devil is in the details with respect to wills.
And don't hesitate, please. We tell people, if you don't plan now, plan to fail, because it's going to be a mess.
Give us a buzz on that.
Yep, absolutely. We do a lot of it.
These guys can help you out. All you have to do, pick up the phone, give them a call, find them online, stop in at one of their local offices. And if you have more questions for The Law on You, give the hotline a call.